Win with gold using these golden ideas. If you are a critical investor, then you should know the basics about gold investment. Diversity is essential, and gold is a terrific way to aid you in getting it. But, how would you start? There are a couple of things to understand, however it is not brain surgery. If you are looking at familiarizing yourself with gold investments, the subsequent article ought to be appealing to you personally. Read reviews and do your research prior to selecting a dealer to purchase your gold. Read online reviews and view along with your local Better Business Bureau to find out in case a dealer has any complaints filed against them. If you get bids coming from a few buyers, it is possible to likely get yourself a better price. If the reason behind purchasing gold is perfect for your retirement fund, it's crucial to buy the appropriate kind. It must be IRS approved. They should be 24-karat coins or bullion bars. Bars are usually more valuable than coins and ought to, therefore, be favored. You are able to sell something that contains gold to gold dealers. Instances of saleable items include broken jewelry, spoons, forks, household goods, etc. The purity doesn't even have to be 100%. The items can be gold-plated or created from an alloy containing gold. You are sure to transform a significant profit. Always check the daily spot price before you buy gold. The spot price are available in a multitude of locations, plus it will fluctuate often. Only place your order whenever you can find a dealer prepared to sell to have an 8% markup or less across the spot price. Some sellers try charging more, but that's overcharging, which happens to be generally unethical. Gold is a lot of fun to buy, but avoid announcing it to everyone. Anyone may be listening and you don't know who can be trusted. Keep investments private and guard them in the quality safe or maybe in a bank. Doing so means you happen to be protecting your gold. Be cautious. There are many shady companies in the gold market. Many companies and folks trading in gold depend upon using unsuspecting consumers as a way to improve their profits. You need to do your quest and stay careful. Check out several gold bars prior to a deal. You might get surprisingly different offers that reward your patience. Choosing the very first buyer who comes along might prove an unsatisfactory deal. Take your time so that you can make your greatest return on the gold. You can use a magnet to test precious metal inexpensively. Real gold won't stay with a magnet. In some instances, jewelry could have a clasp that is made from gold, but all of those other jewelry pieces constructed of plated metal. The magnet test is simple and effective for this function. Earring backs are often solid gold once the earring isn't. Many rings and clasps for bracelets and necklaces are gold too. Because these pieces usually do not weigh a great deal, try selling them like a lot. Selling in quantity increases your profit. It is best to contact the BBB just before selling your gold. This way, you can find sound facts about the performance and past of these entities. Go on a close take a look at complaints, and look to see if resolution was achieved. In the event the purchaser has any unresolved complaints, avoid them. Ahead of selling gold, be sure you separate it by carat weight. Some buyers will weigh your gold right away and give you just what the smallest carat weight will be worth. You will lose cash this way. Be safe and optimize your value through all of the gold separated before dealing with the buyer. Whenever using a dealer of precious metals, carefully examine every page of the contract before signing it. Gold buying and selling is serious business, not just a game. You must know what you will be signing. If you're not more comfortable with any terms, pass on to it. It would repay to know you may have financial protection. Learn how to test the grade of gold if you are making an investment in gold. The purity of gold is measured in carats. Gold's value by weight increases featuring its purity, and purer gold gets a higher carat rating. The stamp isn't enough to be on. You simply will not inadvertently purchase bad quality if you know how to do gold purity tests. It is essential that you read all the small print when selling or buying gold. Certain buyers assess premiums for reselling your gold, whereas others is not going to. Consider the logistics involved in mailing heavy packages of gold coins or bars to some dealer in another area of the country. Never allow a dealer to retain physical possession of your gold once you've purchased it. It's best if you buy gold if you have a lengthy time horizon. Therefore, you ought not buy when gold is priced highly. In fact, when charges are high, you should be selling. You have to have your timing down pat. Gold isn't something which you're capable to time when you spend money on it. It's more well off as ensuring your wealth. If you choose to time your gold purchase, buy when prices have remained steady. Oftentimes gold shortages occur during turbulent economic times. Always have a photographic record of the gold pieces you are thinking about selling. In addition, don't make guarantees if jewelry is stolen or lost as the buyer is looking at it. Protect yourself by obtaining the details within a written form. When selling gold coins, consider both their value to collectors along with their value as gram weight. You might be able to get a higher price for that coins should you be selling those to a collector. That is why it is essential to seek information first so you know what you need to sell. Discovering how to spend wisely in gold is crucial to getting a bright financial future through portfolio diversity. You've received the aid of this informative article. All you have to do is help make your decisions. Begin using these guidelines to pad your pocketbook.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.